Hello guys, today we have butternut squash soup on the menu. To prepare this dish, you'll need the ingredients on the screen. First of all, we'll start by preparing a large baking dish. We're gonna add the chopped carrots and the butternut squash. We'll then add half of the olive oil, which is about 4 tablespoons. We'll add the honey. We'll add the salt, 1 teaspoon salt or more to taste. We'll add the ground cinnamon and then mix everything well. Ensure everything is coated. We'll then add the garlic and spread them even, and then add the rosemary. Make sure everything is spread out evenly on the dish, and then put it in the oven. Bake it for 25 minutes at 425 degrees. Meanwhile, you heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped leeks and celery and saute everything until soft and translucent. So this will take about 5 to 10 minutes to saute and brown the way it looks. You then add paprika, turmeric, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, brown ginger, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, cayenne pepper, and the bouillon powder, whatever you decide to use, whether it's vegetables, beef or chicken, and then mix everything well to distribute evenly. You then pour the beef or chicken broth into the pot. This is homemade beef broth. And I decided to use this one because it's what I had in store. But you can use from the store. You can get chicken broth from the store, or once you've done that, by now your butternut squash soup should be ready. Just remove it from the oven and then break the garlic to ensure it's all soft and ready to go into the soup. This is just kind of to enhance the flavor. You then add the butternut squash to the pot. Stir well. Make sure everything everything mixes well. And then reduce heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 10 minutes. Remove the soup from the heat and then let it cook for a few minutes. Then transfer it to a blender and blend until smooth. Once that's done, return the soup to the pot. Ensure you transfer everything, and then if not, if it's too thick, you just add some water and kind of rinse the jug, the blender with the water, and then just like that. At this point, you can adjust salt and pepper to taste, and yeah, any other seasoning you feel that need to add. Heat the soup over low heat, and then add coconut milk. Let it cook for about another 5 minutes or so, or until it's heated through. Keep mixing so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Now you have like a really nice tasty soup. Ladle it into bowls, or rather a bowl. I used red chili flakes to garnish mine. This is to give you like an extra kick. I love it really spicy, so this really did the job. Also garnish with chives if you want. It's not necessary, but kind of gives it a nice touch. Look at that, so good. Looks really nice, appetizing, really tasty. And just to finalize everything, I decided to add in a tablespoon of coconut milk, and this was so good. It was so delicious and filling. So try it and let us know if you enjoyed it as much